She just can't help but be this way. She lost her true self long ago. Now all her friends have pushed away because of caricatures, all they know. Timeless racing all louder and louder. Everyone rushing to get